Omni-channel retail is here to stay, and so is home delivery. With a plethora of order and pickup combinations, how do retailers make sure their IT systems seamlessly talk to each other? The ERP, the CRM, the order management system, the delivery management software. Uninterrupted and error-free flow of data is a non-negotiable for error-free deliveries. FarEye Connectors help tackle this challenge, where you can plug and play pre-built connectors with your as-is IT ecosystem, using integration mechanisms like EDI, FTP, SOAP and REST APIs. This helps you achieve speed, security and scale. The FarEye connector ecosystem has pre-built mechanisms to handle load balancing, monitor continuous availability and failover, which are critical to business continuity. Benefits: secure transmission of data, error-free and SLA-adherent deliveries, shorter time to go live, easy to manage for IT teams. FarEye Connectors.